Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing required items, a phone number for SMS verification, and a recovery email to secure account recovery. Once ready, go to the Create Account page and type a professional username. Avoid nicknames that look informal for job applications. Make sure your name matches your resume and LinkedIn to aid recruiters. Enter a strong password you can remember or use a password manager. Once done, click Next to move to Identity Verification and Contact Details. You will receive an SMS code. Enter it quickly because codes often expire in minutes. After verification, fill in profile details, a clear display name, a professional photo if you'll use Gmail for job contacts, and location fields that reflect your job market. Make sure to add a recovery email and enable two-step verification for future logins. This prevents lockouts and keeps recruiters' messages safe. Once these are saved, review privacy settings. Make sure external visibility is appropriate for you. Finish by testing the account. Send and receive an email to confirm deliverability and check the spam folder. Then create a professional signature containing your name, target title, phone number, and linked in URL so employers can contact you easily. Once done, organize folders and labels for job applications and star important threads. If you hit problems, like being blocked during sign-up, clear cache. Try an incognito window or a different browser. And if needed, use Google account recovery options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.